So today in this video we are going to practice VLOOKUP function, reverse VLOOKUP, index match, XLOOKUP function with different example on this data. Okay, so let's start with today's video. Here we have a sample data and this sample data created by the ChatGPT. I just copy and paste this data and here we have. Okay, so let's understand the first data. Here you can see the first column is the employee ID, name, department column, salary and joining date. Okay. Now, if you can notice this data already convert into a table. Why? So three reasons behind. First is the when I scroll the data, you can see the employee ID, name, department, header is already freeze. Okay. Next, filter added automatically. Third is when I add any new data, so automatically come in format. I don't need to go to home tab and to formatting anything else. Okay, so this is the really helpful. Now let's come to the VLOOKUP. Before the VLOOKUP practice, I just clear to difference between the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP. Why I am saying the VLOOKUP? This is the vertical. Vertical employee ID, name, department, salary, joining year. This data in vertical format. Vertical mean vertical equal column. Okay, vertical equal column. And 1, 2, 3. This is the row and horizontal. Row equal horizontal. So this is the vertical. Now equal transpose function here I use and I just simply select this data. One minute, where is okay. Control shift down arrow and hit enter. And now here you can see this data convert into the horizontal. So employee ID, name, department, salary and joining here you can see. So this is the difference. This is the vertical and this is the horizontal. I hope you understand difference between the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, row and column and horizontal and vertical. Alright, let's remove this. But one more thing, if you want to the practice of the HLOOKUP, so such kind of the data you can practice HLOOKUP function. Okay, so keep remember. Now remove this. Let's start the first understand the VLOOKUP function equal VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP V for vertical and here you can see the four parameter lookup value, table array, column index number and range lookup. So lookup value what is the here? I take it the in double quotation E007 double quotation comma. Okay, zero. This is the zero. Okay. So here, so first parameter clear lookup value. This is the my lookup value. I want to the search in this data where E007 of data. I want to find the E007 data. Okay, second table array. So what you need to do, simply select simply select the entire data. Control shift down arrow. Okay. Control backspace for back, comma. Column index number you want, so I want to know the name. So type 2, comma. Here we have the two options, true is approximate and false is exact match. So one more thing here, approximate generally use the try to find the value. Suppose here the one leg is not here. So if you type any numerical value you try to find, so that time the approximate will work. Yeah, we need to use. Okay, so this is the very important. Okay, now at this moment we need to add the false and close parenthesis and hidden term. So this data is just Gita, and here you can see E007 Gita. Okay, so this is really helpful. But equal VLOOKUP double quotation in Gita double quotation. Now, if you are the lookup value Gita, so VLOOKUP work or not. So you said according to VLOOKUP function rule, no. But we can use the VLOOKUP reverse way. How we can use? So I tell you with example. Here we select the Gita. Here we use the choose function. Okay. Here we use choose function. Curly bracket open and 1 and 2. Okay. Curly bracket close, comma, and now here what we do, here we select the first this column. I want to keep the this column in first. Okay, so I select this. You can use the control shift down arrow for back, control backspace, comma, and over the first, I think the function is removed. You know, oh shit. Okay, so we need to again use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP double quotation, Gita, double quotation, comma, choose function. Okay, curly bracket open, 1 and 2. Choose matlab mean we are the select what column we want to keep. Okay, so curly bracket close, comma, and now select the first column we want keep this. So select this, select control shift down arrow you can do. Sometimes we are using shortcut key, but sometimes it's more work because there some technical issues. So I just scrolling. Okay. Now second column is about this. So simply I select this. Okay. Now here we done and close parenthesis, comma, column index number 2, comma, and here we use false, close parenthesis and return. And this is the our reverse VLOOKUP. This is the simple VLOOKUP and this is the reverse VLOOKUP. Now hope you understand the difference between the VLOOKUP and the reverse VLOOKUP. Okay. Now how to use the index match. So I show you. Here we use equal index. Okay, index. So here we select the our index this employee ID column. So I select this column, entire column, control backspace, comma. Here we use match function. Match function. Select this lookup value. So what is the our lookup value? Here I type Gita, double quotation, comma. Where is Gita? In this column, so simply select this column. Alright, control backspace and comma, and we need exact match. So simply select 0 2 times parentheses because the index and match two function we use and hit enter. And we got the reference error 1. Let's check it out the employee ID. Let's check it out. This is the our employee ID. Okay, and I think again the not correct. Okay, okay, I understood. Yes, we need to again some error we found. So again select the index match and select this employee ID column quickly and comma match function lookup value double quotation Geeta double quotation comma where is she? So in this column you simply select this column. Okay, comma type 0 close parenthesis 2 times and hit enter, and this is the answer. So I think the I made some mistake in the function before, so that's why we didn't get the answer. But yeah, this is the index match function. Hope you understand the index match. Okay. Next and last is XLOOKUP function. How to use the XLOOKUP function? So here equal XLOOKUP and this is the advanced. Okay, XLOOKUP function. Here this time I use the I want to find the department name. Okay, so equal Deepak double quotation comma and where is lookup value? So here lookup value sorry lookup array. Lookup array and table array both are the different thing. Table array you need to select the entire data and table array sorry table array you select need to entire table and this here we select only lookup array means the particular column you need to select. Okay, so little bit is different. Return array you want, suppose I want to the department. So what I do here, I simply select Control Shift and down arrow. Okay, and close parenthesis and hit enter. And this is the answer of so Deepak department name with X lookup. Okay, so with this way you can use the X lookup function. Okay, so uh, when you're working in the lookup, So you have to aware what kind of the function you need to use. But XLOOKUP function is really helpful, advanced without any trouble. Okay, and last thing I want to show you just for your advance here. Uh, Suppose here the salary is the 54. Here is, yeah, we can take 34. Any salary we can pick here. Yeah, 54,000. Okay, guys, I can see the 54,000. Okay, so I want to find the who get the 54,000 in this data. So how we can filter? So here we can filter equal filter function we can use. Okay. So I select the filter function and select the name. Okay, comma. Next is the I want to know the salary based on salary. So control shift down arrow equal 54,000. I want to the filter based on 54,000. Close pencil and hit enter. And see. In this data, two people, yeah, two employees who are getting the 54,000. So with this way, you can filter the data. Okay. So I think I cleared the doubt, the basic and to advance in with this example. So that's about this video. I hope this video is safe. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Just see you in next video.